How to add Rabobank to Apple Wallet. To add Rabobank to Apple Wallet, follow these steps. First, open Apple Wallet. Then click on the plus icon to add your card. Then select debit or credit card option. In the next page, click on Continue. There is two ways to add card in Apple Wallet. One is through scanning, other is manually. We will add manually. So click on Enter Card Details Manually option. Then enter card name and card number. Then click on Next. Then add expiration date and security code. Then click on Next. Then click on Agree. Then you can verify your card through text message or email. Verification is optional, so can skip it. We will verify, so after selecting an option we will click on Next. Then enter the verification code and click on Next. Then click on Continue. And your bank card is added on Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching.